Students, good morning. Today we will discuss a new topic of computer, that is cyber crimes and laws. So students, as you know, the usage of internet increasing in every field. So the number of internet crimes are also increasing. And these internet crimes are known as cyber crimes. Nowadays, many people become victims of the cyber crimes. So, students, we can define cybercrime as cybercrimes are the crimes where a computer is the object of the crime or is used as a tool to commit an offense. So students, what is cybercrime? Cybercrimes are the crimes where a computer is the object of the crime or is used as a tool to commit an offense. So students, now we will look the type of cybercrimes. Basically, there are many types of cybercrimes, but the most common cybercrimes are hacking, types of cybercrimes. So the most common cybercrimes are hacking, cyber theft, cyber stalking, and identity theft. So students, now we will just learn about each and every types of cyber crimes in details. Okay, so what is hacking? What is hacking? Hacking is a type of crime when a person enters to the victim's computer without his or her knowledge. The hacker uses some software to gain information unlawfully, and the victim may not even be aware that his or her computer is being accessed from a remote location. So students, what is hacking? So as I told you, hacking is a process, hacking is a type of cybercrime when a person enters to the victim computers without his or her knowledge. Now we will discuss the second type of cybercrime, that is cyber theft. So what is cyber theft? Cyber theft is a type of crime when a person steals the victim financial or personal information with the help of malware to use it for illegal purposes or personal gain. Now students, what are cyber stalking? What are cyber stalking? So students, cyber stalking is a type of online harassment. Cyber stalking is a type of online harassment where the victim is sent threatening emails or inappropriate messages. Now students, identity theft. What is identity theft? Identity theft is a type of cybercrime where a person accesses a person's personal details or other sensitive information and uses it to represent himself. So identity theft. So we can define identity theft as this is a type of cybercrime where a person accesses a person's personal details and other sensitive information. And uses this personal or other sensitive information to present himself. So students, these are the common type of cyber crimes. Now we will learn about cyber laws. What are cyber laws? So students, cyber laws are the laws related to internet. Cyber laws are the laws which are related to internet. In other words, cyber laws can be considered as a part of the overall legal system So in other words, we can say that cyber laws can be considered as a part of the overall legal system that deals with the internet. Now students, we will discuss a point that is Netiquette. What is Netiquette? So Netiquette is short for internet etiquette. Netiquette is short for internet etiquette. Just like etiquette is the code of polite behavior, netiquette is the code of good behavior on the internet. We can also say that netiquette, showing courtesy while working on the internet, is known as netiquette. Now we will see some of the basic netiquette that should be followed while working on the internet. So the basic netiquettes are as follows. Look here, students. Always be ethical, and you should follow the rules, follow the laws. Avoid posting offensive comment if anyone makes mistakes, be kind about it, and students do not abuse anyone personally, and always respect others' privacy by not posting their personal information such as videos, images, etc. Now, students, we will finish our class here, and I'll just provide you some some assignment after this video. Thank you.
जाएंगे
कहें हमसे
हम लिख रहे हैं क्या
आपको लिखना किसको है, जरूरत अभी किसको है बताइए।
इस बच्चा लोग को